The Grand Challenges Innovation Lab is a fast-paced, 3-day activity where students from across all UCL faculties, from all levels, undergrad, postgrad, can collaborate on issues that we face today, like climate crisis or data ethics.
I think initiatives like these are really important because to solve the problems of tomorrow, we really need to start having an interdisciplinary mindset today. And by having that interdisciplinary lens, we're going to come up with new and innovative solutions. Throughout the sessions, we're working with students hands-on, giving them activities to brainstorm, iterate, ideate, build prototypes so that they can really create the impact they want to see in the world.
We're trying to test the feasibility of our product, visualizing how our project and service might work.
It's been really good meeting people from different departments and just getting their knowledge. It's just been really exciting.
It's creative, it's collaborative, and it pushes you outside of your comfort zone in the best way.
As a young person, I started a social enterprise at a similar age, and I would have really benefited from having workshops like this to provide me with the structure, the expertise, the knowledge, and the network to be able to take my idea from 0 to 100.
It really surprised me. I didn't think I was going to find it this fun.
I think it was just a really fast-paced way to get so many different skills in just 3 days.
What's been the most unexpected thing?
The friends you make along the way.
I agree. The friends you make along the way, I think they'll be lifelong and they can really help you down the line.